Hi, and welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. So today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing. I received a package from Obsessed Garage. This was ordered on Christmas Eve, so it's been a little while. Today's the 23rd. But that's more of a UPS problem than an Obsessed Garage problem. It went out almost immediately. So this is some products that I ordered because of the new cabinets. So obviously packaged fairly well, but there really isn't anything breakable in this one. I ordered some more tool grid, so I got some 6x9 containers. I've got some, I'll just roll this out. So I got a 5-pack of 6x9 containers, a 5-pack of 3x3s, a 5-pack of 3x6s, and then these are 3x9s, and these are 3x12s. So just some of everything. These things are cheap enough that it just kind of makes sense to overbuy rather than have to deal with the weight and the shipping and stuff like that. I have a bunch of dividers too. These are 3-inch dividers, so they allow you to section these up nicely. I'm pretty happy with how they've turned out in the drawers that I've done so far. So, you know, here's kind of an electronic parts drawer that I did. This is one that has some water things in it, but then I have some other containers that aren't sorted yet. And then here's like a hardware drawer with a bunch of different hardware in it. I think the containers are pretty nice overall. They seem to hold up fairly well. I've only had them for a short amount of time, but they're pretty durable. They snap together well, and they don't come apart incredibly easily. So I just ordered a bunch of extras, and I already had some 6-inch and 9-inch dividers from the last time, but I just ran out of containers. And then I got some of these. So these are the Max Light. These are the under cabinet lighting solution that Obsessed Garage sells. This is a 24-inch light bar. I previously had 12-inch light bars from the Cobalt cabinets, but because these are 34-inch uppers, I ordered the 24-inch lights, which I think are going to fit well and be recessed. I went with the 3500 Kelvin color temperature instead of the 5000 Kelvin, which is what I did last time, so they won't be as white. I think that these are built pretty well. You know, they're easy to mount. You just use some double-sided adhesive tape and just kind of stick them up. You know, they've got a pretty basic connector on here. It's just a 2-pin connection that pushes on, and here's like the power switch. So the power switch just kind of mounts, and then that goes there, and then you plug a cord into one side, and there's a switch. So they're pretty easy to install. I'll do a separate video on the installation of them, but I ordered two 24 inches for each of these cabinets, and I'll get these recessed and installed up in there. So that's really it for today. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.